So hi everyone, we are going to do another question of the Java. So the question is, so this is the question. The question is, create a class to represent an employee with employee ID, name, and age as attributes. Create a main class, create an employee object by getting the employee ID, name, and age as input and check for constants as given below. Also generate and handle the user-defined exceptions. If the user inputs are not proper as per the following constant, if the employee ID is below 4 digits, throw invalid employee ID exception. If the name is number, an invalid name exception must be thrown. So if the age is greater than 50, an invalid age exception must be thrown, else an object must be created for the entered employee details. So now we can go to the coding part. So this is the coding coming for the so this is the code coming for the question. So here we are using the util for to input scanner, and for the full package we are used util, and we have used three exceptions. Invalid employee ID exceptions, name exceptions, age exceptions. This all are the three exceptions we are using this. Okay. So if in the case of ID, if we give in the if the ID is not correctly for is the ID is less than 1,000 or 4 digits, then it will show an error. Also, if I entered alphabets with the number also in the ID, then also it will show an error. In the case of name, in the case of name, when I write a name and I added a number also with it, then also it will show an error in it. So like that they will show. So when it comes to the age exception, if I give age less than 18 or greater than 50, then also it will show error. If I gave alphabet instead of the digit also, it will show an error. So class employee detail we are taking in the employee ID, name and age. Uh, Taking employee details, string name as string and age as integer. So employee details. So we are giving the employee details. This is used to take the details from the another class. So they will directly take the details. So we don't need to fetch by coding again. So void display to display the details which we are given to it. For that we use void display. So public class employee. This is the main tag, main syntax in the OOPS Java program language. Public class employee. The employee is the file name. So public start void means string. This is the main what syntax in the Java language. For scan is used for the input, and try and catch system is used for truth check, which are what are the errors coming. For the exception we are using try and catch method. Okay, so here is integer parse is there because the main aim of that is to convert any in the text to integer. We are using integer dot parse dot integer, and so and se dot next line to read the line, and to dot trim means if I give what John Abraham, there will be a unwanted space or something will be there now. To trim that, we are using dot trim method. Okay, dot trim method like that. We are taking name also, integer pass next line. Same also for age also. If the employee ID is less than 1,000, the exception which I said early, it will show an error like employee must be at least 4 digits. If the name is empty or name not message, if the name is empty or the name comes with any number without the alphabets, then also it will show an error. Name must contain only alphabet. If age less than 18 and age greater than 50, throw new invalid exception. If age is less than age is greater, then also it will show an exception. Also, it will show an exception when we give a alphabet value instead of a digit. Okay, so the employee digits are stored there. So the exceptions are working here. Now the three exceptions checking, we are checking by error. We will take the message. What exception we are getting by error? We will give the output as error. This is the issue we are getting error. Okay, so it is in the format exception and the exception also. By so finally this is the code. So now I'll run the code and show you all the ways. So one first in the employee ID. So I'm giving less than 2 digit. Sorry, less than 4 digit. It showed an error. Okay, now we can check instead of adding an alphabet in the case of ID. Yeah, we can give like that instead. Now itself it's showing value numeric input. It came multiple digits and also alphabet. Okay, so now we can check with name cases. John 90 I'm giving. Ended age as 20. The slash is just a slight mistake on my part. No, okay. I think now it's okay. I'm giving 20. Now also it came error. So this is how now we can check once more in the age case. Okay. So I'm giving you right now as 16. First we can check by the conditions. Yeah. Okay. Now then we should show error. Now we can check by the What we can check by adding alphabet to it. Now also sure exception. Okay, now we can do the correct proper things we will get in the way. Yeah, we got the proper details in it. So this is how we do this the employee ID question, which comes under the application development. Application development, I think so. Just a minute, we can check it. Yeah, which comes under application development using exception. So that's all. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.